Have you ever wanted to buy the latest phone but didn't love the idea of handing over your money for it? What if I told you there's a smarter way? A way the rich use to get what they want without spending their own money? It's all about putting your money to work for you. Stick around, and I'll show you how this works. Picture this. The latest phone is calling your name. It's shiny, fast, and full of new features. It costs $1,000. Not a massive amount, but still a chunk of cash. Now, most people would either pay in full or use a credit card to get it. But here's the thing. Why give away your money when you can make that same money work for you and cover the cost instead? Let's talk about how the mindset of the rich flips this script. Here's the difference. People with the mindset of the rich don't just buy stuff with their own money. They use assets, things that generate income to pay for their doodads, like phones, cars, or vacations. One of the simplest assets they use, dividend-paying stocks. The strategy is genius. They invest in assets that create cash flow, and that cash flow pays for what they want. Once the payments are done, they still own the asset and keep the income it generates. That's how they build wealth over time, even while enjoying life's luxuries. Let me show you how this works with that $1,000 phone you want. Instead of paying for it outright, you decide to make monthly payments, about $41.60 a month over 2 years. Now imagine you invest $10,000 into a dividend stock that pays a 5% annual yield. That's $500 a year in dividends, or just over $41 a month. Those dividends can cover your phone payment entirely. Phone cost, $1,000. Monthly payment, $41.67. Dividend yield, 5% on $10,000 equals $500 per year. So instead of giving away $1,000 for the phone, you let your investment generate the money to pay for it. By the end of the 2 years, the phone is fully paid off, and you still own the stock, which continues to pay you dividends. And here's why this is so powerful. After the phone is paid off, you're left with an income-generating asset that keeps putting money in your pocket. That's the mindset of the rich. They let their assets do the work for them, so they don't just buy doodads. They build wealth while doing it. This isn't just about getting a phone. It's about shifting how you think about money. Every dollar you invest becomes a worker, earning more for you and covering your costs. So, to recap, instead of spending $1,000 on a phone, invest in a dividend stock that generates enough income to cover your payments. By the end, you've got the phone, you've paid nothing out of pocket, and you still own the asset. If this strategy inspires you, don't stop here. Subscribe to my channel where I'll show you how to find high dividend paying companies so you can start building your own wealth. Hit the like button if you found this helpful and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Start thinking like the rich and let your money work for you. See you in the next video.